Navigating the complexities of obtaining an Iran visa from Dubai can be challenging, especially for citizens from the USA, UK, and Canada who require a visa before travel. An invitation service simplifies this process, saving you time, reducing stress, and ensuring full compliance with all regulations. The process begins with completing an online application and submitting essential documents like your passport copy, a passport-sized photo, and copies of your UAE residence visa and Emirates ID. The invitation service then applies for a travel authorization code from the Iranian Ministry of Foreign Affairs on your behalf, leading to a visa grant notice upon approval. With this reference code, you can visit the Iranian consulate in Dubai with your passport, application form, photos, and visa fee to collect your visa. Key requirements include a passport valid for at least 6 months, passport-sized photos, your UAE residence visa, Emirates ID, a completed application form, and your travel itinerary. For tourists, this service facilitates access to Iran's rich cultural heritage, historical sites like Persepolis, and stunning natural beauty, ensuring compliance with all regulations. Business travelers benefit from quick and efficient visa acquisition, allowing them to attend meetings, conferences, and explore new opportunities, often requiring an invitation letter from an Iranian host. Did you know Iran offers a visa on arrival for citizens of 180 countries, which can be applied for online at least 2 days in advance? Since 2018, Iran has implemented a stamp-free policy, meaning no visa or entry/exit stamp will be placed in your passport, encouraging more foreign visitors. The Iranian consulate in Dubai is located in the diplomatic area P.O. Box 2832 and can be reached at +971 4344 for 717 or Iran Consulate at on.ae. Remember, the Iran tourist visa is valid for 90 days from issue, and U.S. citizens must travel with an organized tour or approved private guide. Utilize our invitation service for a hassle-free visa application experience, ensuring seamless travel to Iran. Visit our website or contact us today to begin your journey.